In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a scientific calculator to solve equations. Here's an example of an equation, a quadratic equation. We need to get the values of a, b, and c, the coefficients. A is 1, b is 1, c is minus 6, as you can see. Using these coefficients, we can solve the equation. We set up the calculator, press on mode, this key. Then you get the options. Choose option 5 for equations. This is the option for the equations. Press 5. Then you get a few options, type of equations. So you choose option 3 for equation, quadratic equation, as you can see, ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So press 3. And then the calculator asks for the values of a, b, and c. So we enter these values from the given equation. So a is 1. So we press 1. Here we are. Equals. To move to the value of b. So a is 1. And now the calculator is asking for the value of b. b is 1. Coefficient of x. So we enter 1 equals. And then here we are. We have a1, b1. And the calculator is now asking for the value of c. C is minus 6. So we enter the value of c, minus 6. Minus 6. Okay. Minus 6. Press equal to get your first solution. x1 equals 2. So the first solution of the equation is 2. Press again equal to get the second solution. Second solution is minus 3. So x2 second solutions equals negative 3. We can use these solutions to factorize the polynomial. Our solutions are 2 and minus 3, so we can write factors x minus 2 bracket and then x plus 3. So your equation is going to look like this, equals 0. Now this is another example. 6x squared plus 5x minus 21 equals 0. The value of a in this example is 6, coefficient of x squared. So that's the value of a. The value of b is 5. And the value of c is negative 21. So we enter these values into the calculator. Okay, I'll show you again how to set up. Mode, then 5, then choose quadratic, 3, option 3. Then enter your values a, b, and c. A is 6, equals, to move to b. B is 5. Press 5 and then equal. Now we enter the value of c. C is, as you can see, a, b are 6 and 5, and the value of c is negative 21. So negative 2, 1 equals. Then here we are, we entered the coefficients, equal again to get your solution. First solution is 3 over 2. So x1 equals 3 over 2. To get second solution, we have to press equals again. Equals. And then we get x2 minus 7 over 3. So minus 7 over 3. So it's over 3, sorry. It's mistyped. x2 is minus 7 over 3. Here's another example for a quadratic equation. Okay, we press equal to enter the value of a. So a is in this example 9, coefficient of x squared, equals, to move to b, then we enter b, minus 24, so negative 2, 4, okay, equals, to move to c, value of c in the example is 16, 1, 6, equals, here we entered all the coefficients. Now we get solutions by pressing equal. The first equal, here we are, only one solution in this case. As you can see, x equals 4 over 3, one solution. This solution is called a double solution. That means two equal solutions. Third degree equation. Here's an example for a third degree equation. Now we set the calculator again, mode 5 for equations. And then we get the options. This time we choose option 4. That's the option for a cubic equation, as you can see, ax cubed. So option 4. Now we enter the coefficients a, b, c, and d. There are 4 coefficients in this case. A is 3, equals, b 2, press 2, equals, and then we move to c, negative 19, sorry, negative 1, 9, equals, and then we get the option to get the coefficient d, as you can see, last coefficient 6, press 6, equals, all set. Now get your solutions, press equal to get your first solution. First solution, x1 equals negative 3. So this is our first solution for the cubic equation, negative 3. Second solution, press again equals, and you get your x2 equals 2. Second solution equals 2. And the third solution for the cubic equation is 0.3 recurring. So x3 equals 0.3 recurring. It's notation for recurring, 0.3 and top. Thank you. I hope you have enjoyed. See you again.